Hello coding beings, I'm Naman and today we are diving into a fundamental concept that connects everything on internet. What is www? Yes, that www that we see before every website. Before we get started, make sure you stay till the end because I have created MCQ quiz just for you to test your knowledge from this video. It's a fun way to track how much you have learned, so be sure to take it. Alright, let's get started. Every time you visit a website, whether it's google.com or facebook.com, you first type www. But what is this www exactly? Well, www stands for World Wide Web or simply web. It's the essence of almost all websites. But there is a lot more to it than just being a prefix. So what exactly is World Wide Web? It's a system of interlinked documents and resources that are accessed via internet. But what do we mean by interlinked documents? These documents are created using HTML, which is the backbone of web page. And when we say resources, it can be anything like images, videos, or even audio files that are stored on web. In short, World Wide Web is like a massive library where all the documents and resources are connected together through internet. Internet versus World Wide Web. Now, there is a key point. People often confuse the internet with the World Wide Web, but they are not same. Internet is actually the network of connected computers that allow us to share information. And World Wide Web is the system of interlinked documents that you access through internet. So internet is the foundation and World Wide Web is the stuff we interact with. Let's jump into the history. The internet was first invented in 1960s. Later in 1980s, the concept of hypertext was introduced, which allow us to link one document to another. But the real breakthrough came in 1989, when Tim Berners-Lee, a British scientist, created World Wide Web as we know it today. His goal to automate sharing information between scientists at CERN. Now, let's talk about the key components of World Wide Web. To understand how the web works, we need to know these four elements: HTML, web browser, URL, and hyperlink. HTML. This stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it's what we use to create web pages. Without HTML, the web would not exist. Web browser. This is the software like Chrome and Firefox that allows us to view and interact with the web pages. URL. The Uniform Resource Locator is the address of web page, like www.google.com. This tells the browser where to find the page on internet. Hyperlinks. These are links that allow us to jump from one page to another page. Hyperlinks are crucial for connecting different resources on the web. Now, to really understand this, let's break it down into a flowchart. Internet. A network of interconnected computers. World Wide Web. A system of interlinked documents that we access through internet. Web pages. Created using HTML, and these are the contents you see. Web browser. This is a tool we use to view web pages. URL, the address of website. Hyperlinks, the links that connect one page to another. So every time you visit a website, this is how the process works in background. The World Wide Web has revolutionized how we share and access information globally. It's the system that makes the internet useful and interactive. Without it, we won't have web pages, e-commerce, or even social media we know it today. Alright coding geeks, that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you have a clear understanding of what World Wide Web is and why it's so important. Now, it's a time to put your knowledge to test. I have created MCQ quiz just for you.